Hey, it's another Gadgets shopping rendezvous, and we're excited to be your shopping tour guide. But first, pat that subscribe tab and switch to relaxed mood as we take you through the features of some top brand electronic tablets. The Amazon's new Fire HD 10, 13th generation, 64GB, 2025, aims to stay the budget entertainment champ with its brighter 10.1-inch IPS display, hexa-core chip, and refined Fire OS 9. But how does it fare against 5 value-oriented competitors? We'll pit it against the Apple iPad 10th Gen, Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, TCL Tab Max 10.4, and Onyx Boox Tab Mini C, laying out clear pros and cons so you can pick the right slate for reading, streaming, school, or work. First is Fire HD 10, 13th Gen, 2025. Pros. Price/performance king. Launch price $139 beats most name brand 10-inch tablets. Brighter 1920x1200 display, 500 nits, big step over the 2021 model, great for indoor movies. 12-hour battery, solid longevity for binge watching. Alexa hands-free and show mode, doubles as an Echo Show. Expandable storage, micro SD 1 TB, cheap way to add space. Cons. Fire OS walled garden, no native Google Play, app sideloading needed. Plastic build and 3GB RAM, feels budget and can stutter with heavy multitasking. Cameras remain basic, 5MP/2MP, adequate only for video calls. Next is the Apple iPad 10th Gen, 2022. Pros. A14 Bionic Power, desktop class CPU dwarfs Fire HD's chip. True Tone 10.9-inch Liquid Retina, sharper 2360x1640 panel with P3 color. Rich app ecosystem, 1M plus tablet optimized iPadOS apps. Accessory support, 1 ST Gen Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard Folio. Long OS support, typically 5+ years of updates. Cons. Starts at $349, 64GB, Wi-Fi, over twice Fire HD's cost. 64GB non-expandable, pay $499 for 256GB. No headphone jack, requires USB-C dongle. Third is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, 2023. Pros. Large 11-inch 90Hz LCD, smoother scrolling than Fire HD's 60Hz. Snapdragon 695 5G option, faster CPU/GPU and cellular variant. One UI 6, Android 14, full Google Play and Samsung DeX Lite desktop. Quad speakers with Dolby Atmos, louder, richer sound. Metal chassis, more premium feel. Cons. $229 base price, 4/64GB, higher than Fire HD but still mid-range. Only 15W charging on 7040 mAh battery, slow top-up. No S Pen support, stylus buyers must step up to Tab S series. Then the Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, 2022. Pros. 2K, 2000x1200, 11.5-inch LCD at 120Hz, excellent media panel for the money. MediaTek G99 plus 6GB RAM, outperforms Fire HD in multitasking/gaming. Productivity mode plus optional keyboard/precision pen 2, laptop light versatility. Quad JBL speakers, immersive audio. Android 15 update pledged, 2 major OS updates. Cons. Starts $249, 4/64GB, again pricier than Fire HD. Plastic back prone to scratches. Camera quality mediocre, 13MP/8MP, fine but not flagship. And then, the TCL Tab Max 10.4, 2023 refresh. Pros. Vision Tune 10.4-inch Full HD++ screen, boosted contrast and eye care modes. 8000 mAh battery, up to 15 hours video playback. Thin and light, 7.8mm, 470G, lighter than Fire HD. Kid space and stylus packed in box, family-friendly bundle. Aggressive pricing, $179 street, narrow gap to Fire HD. Cons. Snapdragon 665 aging chipset, performance only marginally above Fire's. Android version lags, Ships with 13. Update track record spotting. Single bottom firing speaker pair, easy to block. Finally, the Onyx Boox Tab Mini C, 2024 color e-ink. Pros: 8-inch Kaleido 3-color e-ink, eye strain-free reading and light sketching. Wacom layer and pen included, precise note-taking. Runs full Android 11 with Play Store, unlike Kindle-style readers. Weeks-long battery life, e-ink sips power. Ultralight 310G, most portable of the bunch. Cons: $449 price, niche premium device. Slow refresh, 13HZ, not for video or games. Small screen, less immersive for films. So, how can you choose the right tablet? Budget entertainment and Alexa smart home users should choose Fire HD 10 for unbeatable value and Echo-like perks, if they're comfortable sideloading Google apps. Students or casual creators wanting broad app support and smoother screens may prefer Galaxy Tab A9 Plus or Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, both of which add 90 to 120Hz panels and faster chips. iOS devotees and aspiring digital artists should stretch to the iPad 10th Gen for best-in-class performance, premium accessories, and years of updates. Families seeking parental controls plus pen inbox fun could grab the TCL Tab Max 10.4. Voracious readers who annotate PDFs will love the Onyx Boox Tab Mini C despite its price, thanks to friendly color e-ink and pen support. Whichever route you take, weigh ecosystem lock-in, display quality, performance needs, battery life, and accessory costs before tapping into cart. Happy tablet hunting. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for some more gadgets comparative contents. Stay expectant, stay watchful, and stay ready for the next vid.